Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week and this week is the last trading week of the month, and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, as you can see here, from last week we were short from here. We really enjoyed it. Even today we had a short trade here. Once the price broken this one, we had a beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you the entries and exit. That was the beautiful short trade at the market open. I did analysis and that's what I explained. That's pretty straightforward. You can see here that was the correction and price nicely broken. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, I explained my traders to bank some profit. And at the London morning session, after banking some profit, and that's what I explained to my trader, these are the possibilities. If price develop one of these pattern, then we are looking at counter long trade here and the target around this level. So you can see here price nicely developed, this one of these pattern here, and price nicely broken. Beautiful counter long trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed a false breakout here, and safest way look for this breakout. Pretty straightforward. After this breakout, another pullback at this level, and beautiful few more PPs on EURUSD. Or bias is still short, guys, on EURUSD. We had a bank beautiful pips. Let's see tomorrow. We might going to see, if you look at here, we can see here the price sort of like respecting it. And if you look at, just draw another line here, you can see here price develop downside channel pattern. We'll see tomorrow if the price is going to respect, then possibility of control. Otherwise we'll see at this level too, which is price broken. If you see a pullback short here, we'll let you know tomorrow. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, we were short from here. Beautiful, price nicely broken, and we banked beautiful pips on Friday. Even today we had a beautiful short trade here at the market open, and we will just keep banking pullback short trade here. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries and exit at the market open. This is the analysis I explained to my trader. Look for this sideways market broken, price nicely broken. We have another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And at the London morning, we had another sideways market with price nicely broken. After the breakout, price nicely retest, beautiful. That was the counter short trade here. We have squeezed only few PPs, and afterwards our bias was short. We were expecting a deep pullback, so we have another beautiful short trade here and bank few more PPs on pound dollar. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here some sort of rejection here. We'll see if we find any bullish engulfing candle, then possibility of reversal. So technically we are expecting here another correction and then short trade here. Let's see tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We also take counter trade, but we'll let you know tomorrow. Dollar CAD. If you look at here, we were long from here from last week. If you haven't seen my last week analysis review, video link is given with the description. So today we had also long trade here and bank few PPs. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. At the market open, we have this sideways market. You can see here price nicely broken this morning, beautiful, bank few PPs, and afterwards, after the breakout, pullback, pretty straightforward. We have another beautiful pullback, as you can see here, price still above. So we bank few PPs on dollar CAD. All right, guys, as you see that how we analyze market in 4-hour, how we analyze market in intraday, and bank pips every single day. And the most important part, as always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested in how I coach and train with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast-growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.